Beyond worrying about crazy combinations of situations and things that are obviously edge cases to a person, don't forget that machine learning does not think the way people think. It does not reason about the outside environment. It does statistical analysis of patterns to classify objects, for example. In a famous example, a camera-based perception system decided that signs from the Burger King restaurant were really stop signs and had cars stopping at Burger King signs thinking they were stop signs. The fast food franchise exploited this with a publicity campaign. While this is a somewhat humorous example that did not result in any crashes, the point is that these systems can malfunction in ways that would have never occurred to a person because they don't actually perceive and understand the world the way humans do. Rather, they use statistical analysis that can be easily gamed if things that happen in the real world are unintentionally left out of the training data. The important takeaway here is that edge cases are not what people think should be edge cases. Rather, the characteristic that makes things an edge case has to do with anomalies, patterns, and biases in the training data that quite often would never occur to a person to worry about. So edge cases aren't things that are truly bizarre that never happen. Sometimes they're things that a person knows all about and sees on a regular basis that just happen to be missing from the training data, causing a subtle bias that can result in this case, harmless, but in some cases, potentially deadly vehicle faults.